Okay, welcome back guys to the channel. So in this question, we need to find the square root of this weird number and see how we can solve it. So we're going to start with the highest exponent at the top of this number, which is 9. And let's just consider 5 to the power of 9 as a. And what we have will be 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 1. And since we call this a, this will be to the power of a. And we know 1 to the power of a will be 1 in any case, which means this part will be 1. So what we have now is 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 2 to the power of 1. And we know 2 to the power of 1 is 2. And what we have now is 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 2. And simply we know 6 to the power of 2 is 6 times 6, which is 36. So this will be equal to 36. So we have 2 to the power of 36. And when we have the square root of a, this will be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by 2. And let's use that in here. We have 2 to the power of 36. And if we want to take the square root out, we'll have 2 to the power of 36 to the power of 1 by 2. And this will be 18. And what we have in here at the end, we have to figure out what's 2 to the power of 18. And this was coming from the law of one of the laws of exponents when we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the power of m times n. So our m was in here 36 and n was 1 divided by 2, and this would be the 18, which is what we got in here. And from another laws of the exponent, we know if we have x to the power of a plus b, this will be equal to x to the power of a times x to the power of b, which means we can write our 18. If we divide that by 2, we'll have 18 divided by 2, 9, and same in here, and this will be equal to, which is 2 to the power of 18, and what we have the beginning. So all we need to do is now is find the 2 to the power of 9, which means 2 times 2 times 2, 9 times, and same in here. And we know this will be 512, and this will be also 512. And all we need to do is just multiply 512 by 512. And the way it works, we have 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 5, 10. 0 first. We have 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 1, 1, 1 times 5, 5, 2, 0. We have 5 times 2, 10, 5. So we have a 1 in here from 10, 0 goes here. 5 times 1 plus 1, 6. And we have 5 times 5, which is 25. And we're going to add these two. We have 4, 4, 1, 6 plus 6, 12. The 1 goes in here, 6. And this would be the final answer for this question. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.